Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your assets with Morgan Stanley easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your assets with Morgan Stanley, start by visiting their official website. Once there, navigate to the Wealth Management section. Here, you'll find various services offered for asset protection. Choose Investment Management to understand your options in depth. Review the different investment strategies available to safeguard your wealth. Next, schedule a consultation with a Morgan Stanley financial advisor. Discuss your financial goals and concerns during this meeting. Your advisor will assess your current financial situation and risk tolerance. Based on your discussion, they will recommend customized strategies. Explore strategies like diversification of assets or utilizing alternative investments. Ensure you understand the benefits of each strategy before proceeding. Ask about using trusts or estate planning to further protect your assets. Inquire about insurance products that can help shield your wealth. Take notes during your consultation for future reference. Once you have a clear plan, during the follow-up, finalize the strategies you wish to implement. Execute necessary paperwork provided by your financial advisor. Monitor your investments regularly to ensure they align with your goals. Stay in touch with your advisor for ongoing guidance and support. Be proactive in adjusting your plan as financial circumstances change. Document your asset protection strategies for clarity and accountability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.